This vacation is the best I've ever had.
Same here.
We shouldn't enjoy vacation and forget studies, Mindy.
I can never forget that. Okay, ask me any question.
Okay, what are indefinite pronouns?
Indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that are not specific. They may refer to one or more people or things. Examples include all, much, someone, nothing, any, something, anybody, some, none, nobody, everything, few, each, another, individual, little, both, several, everybody, no one, many, neither, somebody, anyone, one, etc.
Wow! This is becoming interesting. Okay, also ask me any question.
Okay, what are reciprocal pronouns?
Reciprocal pronouns are used when the action expressed by the verb in the sentence is shared by those concerned. Examples are each other, one another. Each other is used when two people or two things are involved, while one another is used when more than two people or things are involved.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.